How to add paid partnership tag on Snapchat Spotlight. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Snapchat app and then go to the profile on the top left corner of the screen. Make sure you have a public profile on your Snapchat, then go to public profile, then go to Spotlight tab. And now tap on post to spotlight, and you can either click a picture or a video, or you can choose from your gallery. Now, once you have chosen what to upload, tap on send to, and then you can see the spotlight option on the top, and you can see the pencil icon. Just tap on it, and then you can see add paid partnership. If you tap on it, you can toggle on the paid partnership option. So that is how you add paid partnership on your Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.